Put yourself in the director's seat by creating videos with Infogram. Let's say we're making a social media post. After adding your content to the canvas, you can animate every object. Select one, click Add Animation in the Settings panel. Choose the animation you want to use, and add some tweaks to it if you want. You can preview the animations by going into full screen mode here. Once you're done adjusting your content, click Download. Then select Video at the top. You can change the video size by clicking on the drop-down here. To change frame length, you can enter it manually for each page at the top right corner, or you can set the duration for all frames over here on the right. Just use the slider or enter the length manually. You can also choose between a number of page transitions that will make your video more dynamic. Once you're all set, click Download. You can then upload your video to any website that supports MP4 files. Go to Infogram.com and start creating.